Hi YouTube, it's your girl Paige and welcome back to my channel OhhSoPaige. As you can see here, I have these beautiful, voluminous, and voluptuous curls just shaking with ease right now. If you want to know how I achieve these luscious curls, just continue to watch. All right, you guys, so I'm starting with freshly co-washed hair, and I've divided it up into different sections so that it's easier to work with. I think I'm gonna go with a side part this time because the last time I did curls, I had a middle part. So I just pretty much put my hair in sections based on how I want it to be shaped. So the product that I'm using today for this Flexi Rod set is the Main Choice Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier Mousse. That's like a tongue twister. In pink lemonade and coconut is the kind that I got. I was trying to show you guys the name on the bottle, but it's just too iridescent and catching the glare. So y'all, this is pretty much a Flexi Rod set on a budget because I got my Flexi Rods from Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. Because you know, when you go and buy Flexi Rods, you literally get like 6 for like $3 or $4, and you need a lot of packs. So I got 5 packs of 6 from Dollar Tree for $1 each. I think that's a steal. Oh, and I did get 2 different sizes. I have a skinny size and I have a thicker size. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add the mousse to my sectioned off hair and use my Denman brush to go ahead and make sure everything is smooth and detangled. And once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and take the Flexi Rod and make sure I smooth and secure the ends onto that Flexi Rod. And then I'm just going to roll it up like a roller. I know there's a lot of different techniques, but I'm just going to roll it up like a roller. And then I'm going to fold over the top part and the bottom part. Y'all, this is my first time ever doing Flexi Rods. Like, I've done perm rods and that's taken a while for me to perfect. Only because my hair is so curly, I always feel like it's gonna come out tragic, but they actually come out pretty good. So this is my first time doing a Flexi Rod set. So I didn't show you like the bottom half of my hair because it pretty much was trial and error. Like, I didn't feel like I got comfortable with the technique until I got to the top of my head. So I'm gonna show you guys me doing the last section of my hair. So again, I'm taking my Main Choice mousse and I'm just putting that evenly throughout my section. I'm going to go ahead and take my Denman brush to make sure I've smoothed out all of my hair, all of the curls. And then I'm going to take the Flexi Rod and just wrap the end and secure the ends around it and smooth it as possible. After I've smoothed it, I'm going to go ahead and roll my hair over that to make sure it's snug. And then I'm going to continue to roll up. I find this way better for my ends to stay secure on the Flexi Rod because all of the ones that I did in the back, well, most of the ones that I did in the back, the ends did not stick. But all of my ones in the front, the ends stayed perfectly fine. So I think that that's the best technique, just to make sure that you roll over the smooth down ends because the ends is what make the curls come out the best. Also, when rolling up, after that first roll over the ends, I like to make sure that there is space in between. So when you roll up, you don't want it to stay like on that same spot, only just to cover up the ends. But after that, you just want to keep modulating up. And I'm going to just show you 2 more times just to make sure you get the gist. Okay, so after about 12 hours or so, I'm going to go ahead and take this down. I finished my hair at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, sat underneath a hooded dryer on and off, and then fell asleep. And then I woke up at like 3 a.m. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking that down now. And you just want to unravel in the opposite way that you roll. So you want to unravel it kind of how you want it to hang. Now that everything's been taken down, it's time to go ahead and separate. And I already started separating some of these. And oh my gosh, you guys, it came out so good. It came out so nice. I thought it was going to be a failure since it was my first time. But oh my gosh, it came out good. But you want to make sure that you coat your hands with your oil of choice. And I like to kind of like pull on it and let the hair separate where it naturally would like to. And then I'm going to twirl it around my finger how I want the curl to look. Now, the oil that I used to take down my hair was coconut oil. But like I said, you can use whatever oil that you choose. I just like to use the oil, one, to make sure that my hair is still moisturized after, being dried. And then also it kind of gives my hands a little slip to be able to do these separating and twirling motions on my hair. Also, you guys, a quick tip on how to make this hairstyle last. As you see, I'm separating my hair right now, but you could separate less than what I'm doing. You can leave some of the curls a little bit more chunky and then separate them more as the week goes on, just to make your hair more full and just to make it last long, give it a little bit of more longevity. But it's up to you. This is just a tip. Now that I have everything separated, it's time for one of the final steps, which is to go ahead and pick it out to your desired height, volume, however you want it to look. I'm not going to pick my hair out a lot, only because this is day one and I want my hair to last, and I can pick it more as the week goes on. Another way of how to make your style last a long time. So I'm just going to lightly pick it, and yeah, that's it. And voila, this is how it turned out, you guys. I'm really proud of myself for this Flexi rod set. It actually was a success. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe and share if you like this video. I will be back with another video for you guys either later this week or next week. See you next time.